Let's explore container backup strategies. In this video, we'll discuss different approaches to backing up containerized applications, ensuring data protection, and enabling quick state recovery. Why do we need container backups? Well, container backups are important for two main reasons. First, for data protection, which means safeguarding persistent data in application state from container failures. Second, for state recovery, which involves restoring complete application environments quickly after incidents. Let's talk about the volume backup strategy. We can create backups of persistent data stored in Docker volumes using tar archives. To do this, you can use a command that involves running a Docker container with volume mounts. The command would look like this: docker run --remove flag -volume myvolume:/data -volume $pwd:/backup alpine tar czf/backup tar.gz-C/dataspace. This command creates a tar archive of the data in the specified Docker volume. Next, we will see image backup strategy. You can save container images as tar files for complete application environment backup. To export an image to a tar file, use the command docker save flag output app-backup.tar myapp:/latest. To load an image from the backup, use docker load flag input app-backup.tar. Now let's discuss container state backup. You can create snapshots of running containers including all changes and configurations. To commit a container to a new image, use the command docker commit running_container backup_image:version 1. To export a committed image, use docker save backup_image:version 1 flag output container_state dar. Let's see the database backup strategy. You can create consistent database backups using native dump utilities within containers. For a PostgreSQL backup, you can run a command like this: docker exec postgres_container pg_dump flag user postgres mydb > backup.sql. For a MySQL backup, you can use the command docker exec mysql_container mysql dump flag user root flag password mydb > backup.sql. Let's explore automated backup solutions. There are several third-party tools available such as Valero for Kubernetes, Restic, Duplicity, and Portainer. You can also implement cron-based automation by adding 0 **backup-script sh to your cron tab. For Docker Compose with cron, you would specify version 3, services, backup, image my-backup:/latest, volumes, data:/backup in your Docker Compose file. Let's review some best practices. Some key principles include regular automated backups, test restore procedures, and multiple backup locations. Important strategy tips are the 3-2-1 backup rule, version control configurations, and monitor backup health. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.